MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to install Portainer on your Ubuntu server. By the end of this video you'll have Portainer up and running, give you a full GUI to manage your Docker environment. First we need to get Docker installed. We'll start by downloading all the necessary dependencies, adding the official gnupg keys and installing Docker itself. You can do this by running these commands. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Now that Docker is ready, we'll deploy Portainer as a container. Use the following commands to create a data volume and start the Portainer instance. Next, open your web browser and navigate to your server IP address with the next port. From here you go through the initial setup to create your administrator account. And that's it, you're all set. As you can see, the dashboard shows all your running Docker containers. Every time you start or stop an application, you can monitor and manage it right here from the interface. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.